Another way to hide a series is by using a formula called NA. So for example, here we've got actual and budget, and we clearly want to show where the actual ends and the budget starts. So here you can see we clearly have two different series, but the problem is because of these zeros, you'll see it actually shows the budget, and then the budget shoots up, and then it continues from there, and the actual drops down, and it physically shows the zeros. If we want to remove this, we can use a function called equals NA open bracket close bracket. So what this formula or function does, I'm going to go in here and just type equals NA open bracket close bracket, is when I click enter, you'll see it no longer plots it. So where a 0 is a point on this chart and NA is not. So I can copy that down, and notice immediately that line disappears. I'm going to take that and paste it here, and you'll see immediately the actual line disappears. So even though it is there, Excel knows there is something there. Because it's an NA, it's not shown, and it looks like our line changes color at the point it swaps over. Just another useful trick to realize is that if I put an NA here, you'll see there's just a gap between those 2 points. So it's just useful to have it starting at one place so that it looks like it continues. So you can easily create some formulas that as actuals are entered, they fill up more here, and the budget then fills the rest, and it looks like your chart changes colors in this case. Or perhaps another way to do it is maybe we use a dash. So I'm going to say let's rather use one of those to show that this is hard, it's actual, these are forecasts.